Hi cruisers, here's a quick look at the Garden Cafe buffet on the Norwegian Bliss. First, please make sure to wash or sanitize your hands upon entering. Here's a quick walkthrough of the dining area. This is an all-you-can-eat buffet, so eat up, but please don't take more than you can eat. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served, with breaks in between to clean the dining room and switch meals. And of course, the highlight of the buffet, the food. This is a sample of items that were available at a dinner serving. At breakfast, you can expect to see omelets, waffles, pancakes, bacon, hash browns, and much, much more. Dress casual, comfortable, and enjoy the buffet.